friends, once again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German A to Z. So how are you doing? I hope you're doing very good. In this video we are going to learn the verbs with accusative case. You already know accusative case. Accusative in which we are having a direct object to the verb. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to ring the bell. Some of the examples of accusative verbs are here in display. You can see here KAUFEN, which means to buy, ESSEN, which means to eat, HABEN, which means to have. Many more verbs are there in this video. So are you ready? Let's go ahead. Verben mit Accusative. Now here we are having the list of accusative verben. Essen, to eat. Haben, to have. Machen, to make. Nehmen, to take. Kaufen, to buy. Once again. Essen, to eat. Haben, to have. Machen, to make. Nehmen, to take. Kaufen, to buy. Let's see some more verbs. Brauchen, to require or to need. Here some more verbs. Lieben, to love. MÖGEN, to like. Trinken, to drink. Lesen, to read. KOCHEN, to cook. MALEN, to paint. Once again, along with me. Lieben, to love. MÖGEN, to like. Trinken, to drink. Lesen, to read. Kochen, to cook. Malen, to paint. Verbs. Verben mit Accusative. Suchen, to search. Sehen, to see. Bestellen, to order. Verlieren, to lose. Vergessen, to forget. Once again, along with me. Suchen, to search. Sehen, to see. Bestellen, to order. Verlieren, to lose. Vergessen, to forget. Now, let's see how to use these verbs in sentences. How to use these verbs in a sentence. Essen, to eat. I eat an apple. Ich esse einen Apfel. I eat an apple. Ich esse einen Apfel. Haben, to have. We do not have any bread. Wir haben kein Brot. We do not have any bread. Wir haben kein Brot. Machen, which means to do or to make. Let's see the example. He makes salad. Macht einen Salat. Macht einen Salat. Okay. Next verb is nehmen, to take. She takes a coffee. Sie nimmt einen Kaffee. She takes a coffee. Sie nimmt einen Kaffee. Next verb is kaufen, to buy. They buy a big house. Sie kaufen ein großes Haus. They buy a big house. Sie kaufen ein großes Haus. House is das Haus. That is why großes. The adjective will be having the ending es, großes. Brauchen, which means to need or to require. You need a jacket. Du brauchst eine Jacke. You need a jacket. Du brauchst eine Jacke. Then comes lieben, to love. Very simple and popular sentence. I love you. Ich liebe dich. I love you. Ich liebe dich. Next verb is mögen, to like. Kids like pizza. Die Kinder mögen Pizza. Kids like pizza. Die Kinder mögen Pizza. Next verb is trinken, to drink. I don't drink tea. Ich trinke keinen Tee. Ich trinke keinen Tee. Why keinen? Because it is accusative object. Masculine, tea is their tea. That is why we have used keinen Tee. So I don't drink tea. Ich trinke keinen Tee. Next verb is lesen, to read. We read the newspapers in the morning. Morgens lesen wir die Zeitungen. We can also exchange the place of wir and morgens. Wir lesen morgens die Zeitungen. Die Zeitungen here is the object, accusative object. So, morgens lesen wir die Zeitungen. Kochen, to cook. Kochen, to cook. We cook a vegetable soup today. Heute kochen wir eine Gemüsesuppe. Heute kochen wir eine Gemüsesuppe. We can also say this same sentence. Wir kochen heute. We can change the place of wir and heute. So both are correct. Wir kochen heute eine Gemüsesuppe oder heute kochen wir eine Gemüsesuppe. That is how we can use the verb kochen in accusative. Next verb is malen, to paint. She paints the wall. Sie malt die Wand. Sie malt die Wand. Suchen, to search. They are searching for an answer of this question. They are searching for an answer of this question. Sie suchen eine Antwort auf diese Frage. Noch einmal, once again, Sie suchen eine Antwort auf diese Frage. Sehen, to see. Do you see the lady with a hat? Siehst du die Frau mit einem Hut? Siehst du die Frau mit einem Hut? We are having here the dative preposition mit. That is why the article will be dative, einem Hut. Siehst du die Frau mit einem Hut? Let's go further. Next verb is bestellen, to order. For example, I have ordered a soup for me. Ich habe mir eine Suppe bestellt. Ich habe mir eine Suppe bestellt. Here, accusative object will be eine Suppe. And the verb is in participle zwei form because it's a perfect tense. Ich habe mir eine Suppe bestellt. Next verb is verlieren, to lose. For example, I have lost my car keys. Ich habe meinen Autoschlüssel verloren. Once again, ich habe meinen Autoschlüssel verloren. Autoschlüssel, their Autoschlüssel. That is why we have used meinen. Once again, ich Ich habe meinen Autoschlüssel verloren. Let's go ahead. Next verb is vergessen, to forget. He always forgets the way back to home. Vergisst immer den Weg zurück nach Hause. Vergisst immer den Weg zurück nach Hause. He forgets the way back to home. Here, Weg is their Weg. That is why we have used den Weg, accusative. I hope these verbs have made clear how to use these verbs in sentences. Thank you very much. Danke. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. And don't forget to ring the bell. Wait for my next interesting video very soon. And if you have any questions or comments, anything, please do write in the comment section. I'll be waiting. Thank you once again. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.